What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Like I said, I want to keep you guys updated with my trading progress in this prop firm account. So I tried trading on Friday, but Friday was a messed up day. I was trading three accounts. I was trading three different accounts. Two are live accounts, and one is just this account I'm talking about. This account with the funded trader. I'm trying to pass the evaluation phase one. So I got into a lot of bad trades. I'll not lie, guys. I did not make any money on Friday. Of course, I closed with profits, but I was not really impressed with what I did because I bought GPUSD at the wrong time and price dropped to the buy zone and it got me into some psychological. Yeah, I started having these trading psychological issues. So I was afraid that the trade would go to stop loss. And what happened was that I opened many positions in that particular trade. I opened about 10 positions with this Profim account, and I also opened many positions with my live account, with also that two live accounts. Price just kept dropping. The price reached the buy zone and price just stayed there. And you know how GPUSD is. GPUSD will take some time before it wants to recover. I had to wait until I waited like crazy. I started trading other pairs like US30. I started looking at gold. So because I was looking at gold and US30, I started trading US30 instead. So when I started trading US30, that's what even caused the complete mess. I made about $60 in that particular trade on US30. Price was just doubling, and I lost more than what I made again. So at the end of the day, I became so confused. So Friday was not a good day for me. I'll not lie to you. I did not make any good money. I was telling you guys that if I'm trading this particular account, I should making at least $100 or $200 in a particular trading day. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is my phone here, and you can see this is my. Let me just go manage accounts. This is the account I'm talking about, this particular one. So as you can clearly see, let's log into the account. Sorry guys, I'm out of my computer, so I cannot really show you guys my screens or my trade history, but I'll just show you guys what happened. So let me just go in for custom period. I'll go in for Friday. This is on Friday. So on Friday, I made $18. Can you imagine? I made $18 on Friday on this account. But look at it. GPUSD, US30. It was only GPUSD and US30, but I made a big loss on US30. A very big loss on USC. See what I made on US30. See? Are you seeing? I made all the way to $60 loss on US30. Can you imagine? Then I was just dabbling between bad trades, good trade, because at the end of the day, I realized that seriously, sometimes it's good to just trade one account and focus on one account. So that particular day, I paid $10 in commission. I made $29, but at the end of the day, my balance is $18 that I made on Friday trading. That's why I said, that's why I was saying that Friday was not a good trading day for me. I'll be very honest. In fact, I did not make any money. However, in the other accounts, I made some money. I made money on the other accounts. I think I made some dollars on the other accounts, but it was not really much. At the end of the day, GPUSD went to my direction, gold went to my direction. I made money on my other accounts, but on my main accounts like this particular profit that I was trading, I did not make any good money from it. So concerning this particular profit challenge, I'm not really happy with what I did on Friday. To me, I wouldn't have even traded on Friday in the first place and just wait till next week. However, now I'm on holidays. I'm in my mom's house. Came to visit my mom, so I won't be trading all the way till maybe Wednesday in the afternoon, because I'll be here for Monday, Tuesday, like that. So I don't have my computers with me, and I don't want to trade again on the phone. I'll just be watching. However, my mom has her birthday on Wednesday, so I'm just trying like, just wait for the birthday to go over. Then from there, I'll be going back to the house. So that's my honest review. Like I said, if I'm trading that particular account, I must come back and give a review. Actually, this particular account, I went on a drawdown. Then price rose back up and I was able to close in profits. But that's why I closed with just some few profits. However, price moved about 40 pips in my direction. They also tell me that, well, if I just focus on my GPUSD and not dabbled into this other US 30 and gold trading, I would have made a lot of money. Like I have made at least $300 on that particular account, or I'll say minimum $200. But however, next week, if I'm back to trading early, let's say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I can be able to pass that account. If not so, I'll still keep it to the next week. Like I told you guys before, my focus is my personal accounts. So if I'm making money in my personal accounts, I'm fine. For this particular profit challenge, I'll take it gradually. Even if it means making $10 a day, I don't mind. I just have to make sure that I make some money and I pass that account quickly. So that's just my review for this particular challenge. I'm also looking forward to getting a good funded account. So good funded, I'll get in like hopefully I'll get like 200k, sorry, 250k account. That'll be about 100k in total. I think I'll add them to this particular list and gradually pass the accounts. I'm looking forward to having a beautiful February, and I hope you're also gonna have a beautiful February. Just stay connected with us. I've been posting signals on my Telegram group because I'm trying to focus myself on some other things which are more important. So with that said, don't forget to drop your like, leave your comments in this comment section, and see you guys in the next video. For those who want to get them funded, I will advise you can use the funded trader that are legit. But like I said, always have a backup plan. You can see I have my XS account, I have my XM account, I have my 10 account. The best broker in all those three brokers is Xness, and I always keep their link in the description because I want you guys to know. Because when I use something right, I don't try to hide things. Okay, the best broker is Xness in all these brokers like 10 trades, 10 trades, and the other one, how do I call it again? 10 trades compared to 10 trades and XM, because they have low spreads and they have a lot of advantages. That's why I always use them. I always put the link in the description so that you can click the link and create an account with Xness. However, I have other affiliate links with other different brokers, but I want the best for those that are watching my videos so that they know exactly how to trade Forex and make good money from it. So that's it for this video. If you want to join Xness, I'll keep a link in the description. If you have any questions, drop it down. And also that's it. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.